The Tinger Dog is an exceptionally rugged and versatile off-road vehicle that has been specially designed for those who need to navigate the harshest environments. Whether you're a professional explorer, a hunter, or an adventure enthusiast, the Tinger Dog can tackle just about any terrain. From rocky landscapes and muddy swamps to snowy fields and rivers, this amphibious vehicle is built to go the distance. Powered by a strong engine and reinforced with a durable chassis, the Tinger Dog can easily shift between land and water, making it perfect for expeditions that require you to cross waterways. With its user-friendly controls, high ground clearance, and exceptional off-road capability, the Tinger Dog is a true adventure machine, offering reliability and performance even in the most remote areas. Its rugged design ensures safety and comfort, while the amphibious functionality allows for seamless transitions between both terrains, allowing you to conquer nearly any challenge nature throws your way. The WALKCAR is a revolutionary invention that takes personal transport to the next level by offering an ultra-portable, electric-powered ride that's as compact as a briefcase. Imagine combining the convenience of a skateboard with the ease of a scooter, and you get the WALKCAR. This cutting-edge personal mobility device is perfect for city dwellers who want an easy and eco-friendly way to get around. Weighing just 7.7 kilograms, 17 pounds, the WALKCAR can carry up to 120 kilograms, 265 pounds, and reach a top speed of 10 to 15 miles per hour, offering an efficient solution for short commutes or quick errands. The WALKCAR's sleek, minimalist design is made for portability. Simply pick it up, fold it, and store it in your bag when not in use. Its electric motor provides smooth, quiet rides, making it perfect for navigating crowded urban spaces without emitting pollutants. With a range of 10 to 12 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for people on the go who want an environmentally friendly alternative. The CruiseUp's future vision concept is an ambitious idea that redefines how we think about public transportation. This innovative autonomous electric vehicle combines futuristic design with cutting-edge technology to offer a new vision for urban mobility. The CruiseUp Future Vision aims to be a solution to the growing issues of urban congestion and pollution, providing an efficient, eco-friendly, and stress-free travel experience. The vehicle uses artificial intelligence to navigate city streets, adapting to traffic patterns and optimizing routes for passengers. With fully electric propulsion, it promises to reduce emissions while providing a smooth, quiet ride. The spacious interior is designed with comfort in mind, offering smart amenities like customizable seating, entertainment options, and wireless charging stations for devices. The Future Vision isn't just about transportation, it's about creating a connected, sustainable city. The Jetson ONE is an exhilarating flying car that has redefined personal aerial mobility. This all-electric aircraft is designed to offer a true flying car experience, carrying a single passenger above city streets with the freedom of flight. The Santa 2.0 version of Jetson ONE brings enhanced flight stability and longer endurance, making it more reliable and practical for everyday use. With a flight range of up to 20 minutes and a top speed of 63 miles per hour, this personal air vehicle is a thrilling new way to travel. Imagine soaring above traffic, experiencing the world from a bird's-eye view. This is the future of transportation. Equipped with cutting-edge lithium batteries, advanced avionics, and a lightweight but robust carbon fiber frame, the Jetson ONE ensures safety without compromising on performance. The design is optimized for simplicity and ease of use, allowing you to fly the vehicle with minimal training. The Jetson ONE offers a glimpse into a world where personal flying vehicles are commonplace, dramatically reducing travel times, improving accessibility, and transforming the way we commute. The Kandi SXS UTV is a powerful and rugged all-terrain vehicle designed for adventurers who crave excitement in the great outdoors. Whether you're tackling rocky hills, sandy dunes, or muddy trails, the Kandi SXS is built to handle the toughest terrains. It features a high-performance engine and advanced suspension systems that provide a smooth ride and exceptional stability, even in the most challenging conditions. The vehicle's design emphasizes durability and versatility, with large tires and a reinforced frame that make it capable of enduring extreme conditions. Whether you're exploring remote backcountry trails, navigating dense forests, or simply enjoying a weekend of off-roading with friends, the Kandi SXS UTV offers thrilling performance and unmatched reliability. Its spacious cabin provides plenty of room for passengers. The Langfeite GT4S is a stunning electric supercar that brings the best of both worlds: unparalleled performance and sustainable energy. This high-performance sports car takes driving to the next level with its sleek, aerodynamic design and cutting-edge technology. Powered by an all-electric drivetrain, the GT4S delivers incredible acceleration, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. With a top speed that rivals traditional supercars, the Langfeite GT4S is a masterclass in automotive engineering. Beyond performance, it offers luxurious features, including a high-tech dashboard, leather interior, and customizable seating, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. The electric powertrain not only reduces emissions, but also ensures that drivers don't have to compromise on speed or power. The vehicle's sophisticated suspension system and responsive handling provide an exhilarating driving experience, whether on the road or at the track. With the Langfeite GT4S, you can enjoy the thrill of a supercar while being environmentally conscious, making it the future of high-performance electric vehicles. The Monotrack Bike is a groundbreaking one-wheeled vehicle that combines the thrill of cycling with a new level of balance and skill. Unlike traditional bicycles, which have two wheels, the Monotrack features just a single large wheel supported by a minimalist frame and handlebars, providing a completely new riding experience. It challenges riders to perfect their balance and coordination, offering a dynamic and exciting form of transportation. Designed for both fun and practicality, the Monotrack Bike is perfect for urban environments where space is limited, or for people who enjoy trying out new forms of personal transportation. The bike is compact, lightweight, and highly maneuverable, making it ideal for quick city commutes or recreational rides. Despite its unique design, the Monotrack doesn't compromise on performance. With a sturdy frame, reliable braking system, and an easy-to-use propulsion system. For those looking for a unique cycling challenge, the Monotrack is an exciting way to take personal transport to the next level. The WaterCar Panther is the ultimate amphibious vehicle, designed to seamlessly transition between land and water. Whether you're cruising along highways, driving across beaches, or racing over water, the Panther is engineered to deliver exceptional performance in both environments. On land, it boasts a powerful engine that can reach speeds of 45 miles per hour, while on water, it can reach up to 60 miles per hour, offering an exhilarating driving experience. The WaterCar Panther is built with durability and versatility in mind, featuring a fiberglass body that's both lightweight and strong, and a unique set of retractable wheels that allow it to transition effortlessly from land to water. Whether you're navigating through rivers, lakes, or just driving along the coastline, this vehicle ensures you can access remote locations that other cars can't reach. The sleek and stylish design of the Panther makes it perfect for both adventure seekers and those who simply want a practical yet. The Gibbs Biski is a game-changing amphibious motorcycle that brings together the thrill of motorcycling and the freedom of water sports. With its ability to seamlessly switch between land and water, the Biski offers a unique experience unlike any other. On land, it performs just like a high-performance motorcycle, with a powerful engine and responsive handling. When it hits the water, the wheels retract, and the Biski transforms into a high-speed watercraft capable of reaching speeds of up to 37 miles per hour. This dual functionality allows for an adrenaline-pumping experience, whether you're riding across challenging roads or racing across lakes and rivers. The Gibbs Biski's lightweight design and advanced suspension make it easy to handle in both environments, and its innovative transformation system ensures that riders can effortlessly shift from land mode to water mode with a push of a button. Perfect for thrill seekers and water sports enthusiasts, the Gibbs Biski offers the ultimate adventure in one exciting package. The Sealegs Hydrasol RIB rigid inflatable boat is a revolutionary amphibious boat designed for ease of use in both land and water environments. This advanced vessel comes equipped with retractable wheels that allow it to drive over land, making it perfect for launching from beaches, docks, or other places where traditional boats would struggle. Once on water, the wheels retract into the hull, and the boat functions like a high-performance RIB, offering incredible stability, speed, and maneuverability. Whether you're navigating coastal waters, rivers, or just need to drive across land to reach your launch point, the Sealegs Hydrasol offers a seamless transition. The boat's rugged construction, combined with powerful engines and durable design, the Ghe-O Rescue is an extraordinary off-road vehicle designed for extreme rescue missions in the toughest environments. With its rugged construction and powerful tires, the Ghe-O Rescue can traverse through floodwaters, mud, snow, and rough terrain, making it an essential tool for emergency services in remote or disaster-stricken areas. Built to carry rescue teams and equipment to places that conventional vehicles can't access, this versatile machine ensures that help can reach those in need, no matter the challenges. Whether responding to natural disasters or reaching isolated regions, the Ghe-O Rescue is a reliable and durable vehicle that makes a difference in life-saving missions. The Downed-Aviator MedEx is a highly specialized medical evacuation vehicle designed to quickly transport injured individuals from remote and hazardous locations, often in military or high-risk rescue operations. This vehicle is a life-saving asset in emergency situations, particularly in areas where helicopters or traditional ambulances cannot easily access. The MedEx is equipped with state-of-the-art medical equipment to provide immediate care to the injured during transit, ensuring that patients receive necessary attention while on their way to proper medical facilities. Its design is lightweight yet robust, built to endure harsh terrains such as mountains, dense forests, or even conflict zones, making it ideal for both military and civilian rescue missions. The MedEx's ability to quickly navigate difficult landscapes means that it can significantly reduce response times and increase the chances of survival for critically injured patients. With a fully equipped medical bay, highly efficient medical systems, the Turtle Rover is a highly innovative autonomous exploration vehicle designed for extreme environments, such as the icy landscapes of Antarctica or the barren surface of Mars. Equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and a rugged frame, the Turtle Rover is built to withstand harsh conditions while collecting data for scientific research. This versatile rover can climb obstacles, cross rough terrains, and carry out a variety of missions from environmental monitoring to extraterrestrial exploration. The Turtle Rover represents the future of robotic exploration, offering a glimpse into how autonomous vehicles can expand our ability to explore the unknown, whether on Earth or beyond. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the digital world is full of endless